My name is Erin Moore, and I own Able and Ready Appliance Repair, a Wichita-based business that is accredited with the Better Business Bureau. We have seen quite a bit of change, strain, and frustration with COVID-19. Early in the pandemic, a group that includes myself and 4 other colleagues came together to try to make sense of the fire hose of information that was streaming toward us from every angle. This group included compliance law, healthcare executive leadership, infection control experts, and curriculum development. Knowing that people were struggling to learn the most basic concepts of how to appropriately put on and fit masks and how to thoroughly and effectively wash hands, we decided that it was a lack of knowledge of universal healthcare practices that was the greatest hurdle to addressing this virus. After watching the federal government spend trillions of dollars to keep the economy moving forward, but not investing any of it in well-developed curriculum, we were able to identify the greatest weakness and thus created our response. Give a man a fish, and he eats today. Teach a man to fish, and he will never go hungry again. EduSource Inc. is working to teach the basic foundational knowledge of how to maintain infection control practices. It isn't difficult, but it is specific, and we want to show you how. Our curriculum program and platform aims to help small businesses, like ourselves, stay open, safe, and profitable through this pandemic and beyond.